Hi guys, welcome to iCreative School. And first of all, happy Father's Day to everyone. And today I will tell you how to do one Father's Day post for social media, and also you can send to your Instagram and Facebook. You can send to your father. So I will tell you how to do in simple way, Father's Day post. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to my software, Photoshop. So this one I'm deleting. So first, social media post you can use like square size. So 800 into 800. Otherwise 1080 into 1080. Like same width and height you should take. Okay. So press OK. Then I'll write here Dad. Keep it caps all, uppercase. Then scale it. First of all, show grid so that alignment we should do. Then hide grid. Okay. Then actually I want to do little bit like fancy type. So what I'll do, I have captured one background and I'll drag it here. Wait. Yeah. And this one you just click create clipping mask by right clicking. Go to this layer and right click create clipping mask, and you can scale it down, and you alt and left click drag, then duplicate it will come and place it properly. Okay, so many ways are there. I am just making one like little bit colorful. So this one done. Here again you go to this horizontal type layer and type I love you. And I will change this color little bit gray, and I will keep it light. And here I will horizontal space I will give. Okay. And here happy Father's Day. You can take this pattern, like I have taken dot pattern, so you can take different patterns are available. And what I will do next, I will take one grunge background. Okay. Wait, I have downloaded. So I have dragged into here and keep it below. Just very simple and very less time you can do, and you can show your love to your dad. And here I will make this line. Actually I have done for iCreative School simply. So here I will paste it. If you don't want this type of course, you can avoid. Or keep it. Okay. You can write here name. One more thing, I will add here some like specs. So okay, so I'll add here like this. I'll keep it here. Okay, it suits here. And then one more I will keep this spectacle. You can keep on your choice. Okay, I'm keeping here little bit scaling down. And then next I will keep one tie. Okay, and I will lock this layer and I'll move little bit towards center. So this I love you, we can change the red color. Yeah, yes. Okay, yeah, like this we can do, and in next class I will tell you different thing. Till then, bye bye, take care, and again happy Father's Day to all. Thank you.